guys, what is up? Welcome back to episode number 2 of house hunting. I'm so excited. We're actually leaving in just a little bit to go look at houses and I'm so excited, you guys. So today we're gonna go look at 2. We're new here. My boyfriend and I are searching for our first house in a crazy Ottawa market right now. Luckily we have a really great real estate agent. His name is Josh. I'll have his details linked down below. He is the best. And today we're gonna go look at 2 houses, one near us and then one in the East End. And yeah, I'm really excited to take you guys along. So we're gonna go see them and then I will let you guys know what we think. And if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe because at some point we will find a house and there'll be so many moving vlogs. I'm so excited. So we just got back. So the first one we liked. We're not gonna put an offer in on it though. We didn't love it, but we are gonna put an offer in on the second one. We loved it so much. It was so perfect and cute and the best sized one we've seen for the price so far. It was really spacious. You guys, those sliding doors were so gorgeous. Amazing. Basement's really nice and big. It does need to be painted, but that's it. And then that one did have appliances as is, so the microwave and the dishwasher need to be replaced, so we have to keep that into consideration. But they want to close as soon as possible because it is an estate sale, so that's exciting. So that is kind of that. We're gonna keep our eye out, maybe go see some more this weekend. I think there's 2 more that we want to go see, so I'll keep you guys updated on if we go see any, but that's our little update. Guys, what is up? Happy Sunday. Wanted to hop on here and give you guys a little update. I feel like these house hunting vlogs are just updates. That's all they are. But not looking at any houses this weekend, just being a long weekend. Nothing really comes on the market on the weekend, so yeah. Matt and I have been thinking and kind of just an update for you guys. So we've been kind of just looking in the city, different suburbs in the city. You guys know I grew up in the country. I grew up about 20 minutes outside of downtown Ottawa in the East End. We're gonna expand our search a little bit. So we're really lucky because the hospitals are really central to the city. So the hospitals are really in the middle of Ottawa and you can go anywhere and it's gonna make a 20-30 minute drive. So broaden our search basically along the 417 because Matt and I don't mind being out in the country, especially if it means we can have land with Stella and a freehold, which a freehold just means it's not a condo. And you know, once you go out to the country a little bit, things do get relatively cheaper. They really be 20-25 minutes from everything. And work for us, the max we would go, we said, was about 30-35 minutes. So that's what it would be. So this is the part that's really hard about one person working on Monday to Friday and one person working shift work, is that tomorrow would be a great day to go because it's a holiday, but Matt works. So we're gonna go Tuesday, but I start my work week, and since it's a condensed work week, right? I was off Monday, I have a lot to do Tuesday, so I have meetings all morning. So Matt's actually gonna go by himself, I think, but I'm gonna show you guys some pictures, and then maybe if you get some videos, I can insert them for you guys because I would literally, it would happen that we're gonna get the house that I don't even have any videos of. I will keep you guys updated on what happens. Okay, pull up a seat and chat with you guys. So Matt obviously went to go see that one. Guys, I'm telling you, frig, pictures are so deceiving when you're looking at houses. So he's literally said, babe, it was scary in there. We didn't really know what to expect. There wasn't a lot of pictures and we couldn't get any more pictures, but it seems like it was just a waste of time. It was super dark and it needed a lot of work, like at least 100,000. And we've decided that our first house, we're okay with upgrading some stuff. Like the one that we're gonna put an offer in on today needs like new appliances in a year or two, like stuff like that we're okay with, but it needs to have good bones, and this house didn't have good bones. So it just makes our life easier, honestly, because now we can just put an offer in on the one that we liked and go from there. So I guess chat with you guys in a little bit once we talk to Josh, see how much we're gonna put an offer in on and if we get it. So stay tuned. I need a glass of water. Only 6:20. We put in our offer an hour and a half ago. We're still waiting to hear. Matt just left for work, so whatever happens, I'm dealing with it by myself. So I think this one's gonna be a real bummer if we don't get it, because we really liked it. Like, this was our dream first house, you guys. Like, dream house. Exactly what we wanted in first home. Oh, I'm so nervous and anxious. I'm having a glass of wine. All right. I'm just sitting by my phone waiting for Josh to call. That's literally what I'm doing. Cheers. We're either gonna have a house by the end of the night or keep looking. Let's see which one it is. He literally called me as soon as you like stepped outside to brush off your car.
Is that what I said?
Yeah. We didn't get it. We weren't even in the top 3.
How much?
He won't know until tomorrow.
Oh, okay. We weren't even in the top 3?
No.
So we'll just keep looking.
Anyways, have a good night at work, babe.
Thanks. You a little depressed now?
A little, but it's okay.
That's fine. I'll keep looking.
Yeah.
Alright. Bye, babe.
Okay, bye.
I love you. Have fun tonight.
I love you too.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Alrighty, guys. So we didn't get it. I don't know why I'm like bummed. That was like what we wanted in a house too. Us and like our realtor really thought we had it, like at least a competitive offer. We went a lot over asking and we had a pretty good offer letter story. You know, my grandparents live on the same street and yeah, so just wasn't meant to be, I guess. I don't know. I think I like really thought it was fate because the people that had put in a high offer backed out and then we had the same last name and like I just really thought it was gonna be, but it wasn't. Kind of sucks because at least last time when we didn't get the first one, we had other houses lined up to look at, whereas there hasn't really been anything on the market in the last few days. So back to the drawing board. Honestly, you guys know we're not going to settle for just whatever. So we are keeping our mind open, but I'm more just filming these episodes for you guys to know that it's really not all sunshines and rainbows, and everyone keeps saying like the market's crazy and stuff, but this is the reality of it. You get your hopes up, then your hopes get like defeated. But yeah, obviously I'm a bit bummed, I'm not gonna lie. We really loved the house, but there will be other houses out there and our house could just not even be on the market yet. Who knows? But guys, happy Friday. I'm so excited. Today we went to go see a house that we really loved, but I didn't give you guys like any info. So I'm talking first and then you're gonna see the house. And then Matt has gone to go see one now, but I obviously couldn't go because of work. Stella's playing with a freaking ball. But I'm really excited. Seriously, so nice. It was an actual townhouse instead of like a condo, and it had a driveway and a garage, and it was like literally exactly what we wanted. I didn't get a lot of video clips only because we went around 5, so it was getting dark out, but it was super nice. It's one of those houses that Matt and I were saying is like a great like dream first home because there's cosmetic changes we can make, but like it's obviously livable. It has good bones. It just like has carpet everywhere that we like take out and put vinyl and paint and stuff. So that's what we wanted. We don't want like a fixer-upper. We want something that's livable, but that over time we can do cosmetic changes too. So really love it. It was a 3-bed, 2-bath. It was so nice. But like I said, I didn't get many clips just because it was like really dark out, but I'm really excited. Offers for that one go in next Monday or Tuesday, let me check, but we're definitely putting an offer in on that one. We loved it. Offers go in for that one on Tuesday, so really liked it. We're gonna put an offer in, and then today Matt's actually just left to go see one. This one is about 30 minutes away, kind of a bit in the country, and this one is so cute, you guys. It's like a little bungalow. Well, is it considered a bungalow if it has a basement? I think so, but it's a freehold, which means it's like a standalone house in the country. It has a huge fenced in backyard, and it actually has an in-law suite in the basement, which is so cool. But it's really nice. I obviously have all the details on this next screen, like how many bedrooms, I don't remember, but it's really nice. I think Matt's gonna try and FaceTime me and take me through the house like that. And then I'll put in some pictures that were on like the listing. But that one closes tonight at 8 p.m. So we're gonna have to decide if we like that one more than we like the other one. Because if we get this one, then we obviously can't get the other one. I was feeling a little defeated after we didn't get the house on Tuesday or Wednesday, whenever it was. But I'm feeling a lot better now and just in good spirits. And like our house is out there and I know it. But I just want to show you guys the real side of house hunting. Like it's not all fun and games. It is really emotionally draining. But yeah, let's see what this house looks like. So Matt got home and we talked about it, and guys, this is like our forever home. Like this house would be like a house we'd stay in for a while. This isn't like a stepping stone house. Like if we were to buy like a townhouse, we would probably at some point get like a new build out in the country. This is it. It's a whole ass house and it has a backyard and a driveway and a huge basement, and like I'm gonna be bummed if this doesn't work. We're going all in with our max. Like we got this. I have a good offer letter. Like I want this house so bad. I mean, we do. Like, we're just so excited. The only thing that sucks is the offer is going at 8 p.m., which is pretty late. Usually it's like 4 or 5, so we have a while to wait. But I just want to update you guys that we are going to put an offer in, and I hope it gets accepted. This is crazy. This is crazy. I didn't even go see it, and I love it. It has so much room and it has so much potential. Like this is like a forever kind of home. Like there's so much room for like our family to grow and like all that stuff. And oh, I'm just so excited. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm trying to like finish my work day off, but I can't. I'm just so excited. It's 1:35. We just texted our real estate agent saying like we're gonna go ahead and put an offer in, and now we have to wait like 7 hours, but I'm so excited. Okay, I'll talk to you guys after. I can't breathe.
Just breathe, babe.
Mommy and Daddy are gonna give you the big backyard you deserve, okay? You're gonna get the big backyard you deserve, okay? We're getting this house. This is our house. We're getting it. I need to clean. I'm stressed. I think it's not goodness.
Hello?
I don't think it's good.
No, we didn't get it.